Let me now ask everybody to be upstanding as I welcome Mr. Rodney Basil Price to receive the key to the city of Kingston from His Worship the Mayor and councillors of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. Now our honor to confer the keys from the hands of His Worship the Mayor to Mr. Rodney Basil Price OD, Bounty Killer. The resolution to rename Wenchman Road of its most prolific and outstanding citizens, none other than Mr. Rodney Basil Price OD, known to Jamaica and the world by his stage moniker, Bounty Killer, best known for his hit songs such as Book, 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 Fed Up, Look Into My Eyes, Benz and Bimmer, Down in the Ghetto, and his major collaboration with the group No Doubt, where he was featured on the hit single Hey Baby, for which he won a Grammy in 2002, and whereas he resided in the community since his early childhood, more specifically along Wenchman Road, and whereas he continues to give back to communities and persons in need across Jamaica through the Bounty Foundation, where he has donated, organized, volunteered and partnered with Corporate Jamaica to focus his efforts in transforming lives, especially of the youth and the elderly. And whereas the citizens of Seaview Gardens have also petitioned the KCMC to rename of the youth and the elderly. And whereas the citizens of Seaview Gardens have also petitioned the KCMC to rename Wenchman Road within the community in his honor, that Wenchman Road in the Seaview Gardens Division be renamed Rodney Price Drive in honor of his lasting legacy of support and development of the people and wider communities of Seaview Gardens and indeed other communities across Jamaica. Here is the citation, ladies and gentlemen. And we also have the pleasure of presenting Bounty with the two gazettes which have been printed especially for him. And along with the key and the road naming and the citation are the gazettes which I would just have shown you just now.
What going me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
What a go on, good morning, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning, my splendacious, fabulous, amazinacious subscribers. Good morning. Guys, before me go into that video, yeah, me need to say, guys, I believe I'm going to come on live later on. Yeah, man, guys, I believe I go do a live little more, yeah? I go put out a thing, say me go live later on. Me go live later on, so we can chat about. And listen, guys, there's nothing specific that we're going to talk about. We just go chat, all our vibes, and talk about what go on the YouTube street and all kind of things. You know what I say? So, welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a go on. Alright out there? Uno do no wellness check yet? Please, me I beg you, because mental health crisis is not a joke. It's a serious thing. Guys, domestic violence. Boy, me I tell you the truth, guys. Help somebody, man. Hey, help somebody. And guys, you see, if you know the boy there, when live over there, so we are trouble the little one them, make your neighbor know, say, yo, the boy they down there, so him. So you can keep a close eye on him, because we do not want what happen to try Trillan if it happen again. So me I say, because Babsy and him friend them up there are locked tight on the name of the boy them. So we need. Me see Buchanan talk about it the other day. You know me in a politics thing, but me see Buchanan talk about it the other day. And me applaud him for do that. Yes. Guys, I want to big up Bounty Killer, yeah? Bounty Killer get the key for your King Sunday and in name at the road, yeah? So that mean Bounty Killer get him flowers before him pass away and not like how them normally do it. Wait until you're dead before then give your flowers on the grave. Anyway, guys, you know I want to say big up to Sax and I want to say pull through Sax. Yeah man, pull through and you know, me see the helping, me see the movement, me see everything I go on. Me go talk about that in a different video. Yeah man. But guys, you know what me want to talk about? What me really want to talk about is what if Colaz Smith was a reactor? Guys, me is an actual thinker, yeah? Me think different, me operate different, me talk different. But guys, what if Colaz Smith was a reactor, just like how him stay now with the same brains? What if Colaz Smith was a reactor? And you know, go hear why me ask that question. Guys, me make a video about, yeah, reactors and reactions. And this is the follow-up on it. Guys, me listen. No, hold on. Let me change that. Guys, I wonder if anybody is sitting and listening to what Colaz Smith is saying out of his mouth. I wonder if the content creators is listening to what Colaz Smith is saying out of his mouth. I do not believe many of the subscribers, many, well, subscriber, yeah, subscriber them listen to everything. Then rewind it and listen. So not them. But I don't believe most of the content creators is listening to what Colaz Smith is really saying out of his mouth. Now you watch Colaz and you see all the Colaz are do. But most of all, people watch what people is saying about Colaz. So they make videos about those people. But I am wondering, are you listening, understanding the things that come out of Colaz Smith's mouth? My viewers and subscribers and content creators, listen to what come out of Colaz Smith's mouth. And I not go play it. But I hear when he say these things. And I'm going to use the first one, big and bold, when Colaz Smith say, guys, YouTube can change your life. Colaz Smith said that. We all supposed to know that, yeah? We all supposed to know that YouTube can change your life, because we see it change many lives. We see it change Colaz Smith's life. Now guys, if Colaz Smith say YouTube can change your life, why did he say it? Why did Colaz Smith say YouTube can change your life? Colaz Smith say YouTube can change your life because YouTube changed his life. And why you think he said it out of his mouth? He said it out of his mouth because at the time when he said it, there was all sort of stupidness going on with his name in it. So what he's saying to you is, without saying it, is, guys, YouTube can change your life. Use YouTube and change your life instead of talk about me. I will worry about me. But he didn't say that out of his mouth. But that's what I get out of what he said. YouTube can change your life. Simple. He's telling you that yes, YouTube changed mine, so it can change yours too. But how it go change yours? You have to put in the work. You have to put in your work. If you don't put in the work, it's not going to change your life. Again, so guys, you know see what I say? Most of us not listening to what Colaz Smith is saying. We're looking and seeing and talking, but we're not listening. Not me though, because I listen very well to everything, because that's just something that I have to do. Now, let's get into another thing that Colaz Smith said. Colaz Smith used the word, and Colaz, if you watch that video, if you hear me say it, thank you very much for saying it. Colaz used the word and says, if he was a reactor, he would have do a whole heap of something, because there's so much things out there to react to. Colaz Smith said if he was a reactor, he would react to so much things. And in that same breath, guess what Colaz said? Colaz said, I show speed come at Jamaica, and him not say no man react to it. Colaz said, I show speed come at Jamaica, and him not say none of the reactor them react to it. Colaz said he would react to that. But him not say none of the reactor them react to it. And we no down at Jamaica there. Some of we up a foreigner in England and Canada and all kind of something. Me, honestly, if me can't show no my computer, we would have say the things, the clippings them in there. Me just never get to it, because me kind of take my time to get to things sometimes. And then after a while, me see kind of, and me just left it alone. But me still have a video where me make talking about I show speed. And me still gonna put it out there. Yeah, me gonna put it out there. But remember, Colaz Smith said that if he was a reactor, he would have made video about everything. So the thing is, that simple mean you are not listening to what Colaz Smith is saying. And if you're not listening, that means you're not following what Colaz Smith is saying. But as soon as somebody says something, all hell break loose. So that means the listening at the ears of what Colaz is saying and pushing. Because guess what happened? Them say, Colaz, give you the things them fi go fish. No, you fi go out there go fish. So Colaz I say, if he was a reactor, there's so much content out there. There's so much things out there to react to. But nobody's taking it up and reacting to all other things. People just react to one thing. And then, again, me put myself in it. Then we all call ourselves reactors. Then we call ourselves reactors. Instead, we should call ourselves, we are taking sides. We should call ourselves, we are taking sides. If we're going to watch Colaz and try and see what Colaz is doing, at least you have to listen to what he's saying too. And learn from what he's saying. You think all what is going on with Colaz just pops up like that? Colaz is using this. Colaz is using this. The brain that his mama and the good Lord give him. Now, let me say this again. The other day, Colaz said, People must stop, put themselves in a box. The world is big. The world is big. What you think he mean? What do you all think Colaz mean when he said the world is big? It's a big place. People must stop put themselves in a box. It simple mean Colaz Smith is saying, guys, we don't just make one video. Spread out on the wings. Spread out on the wings. The world is big. The content them they out there for everybody, where everybody can make content. Stop being stagnant. That our meaning of the words that Colaz Smith use. Are you all listening to the words that Colaz Smith use? Simple words Colaz Smith use. Simple. Alright. Me could talk about Project X. Me show you something. And this is how me think. Listen me people. Me take a little break or so. And by the way, when you reach this far in the video, thank you very much if you reach this far in the video. Did you like the video yet? Are you a subscriber? If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, man. Where are we, man? Over here, son. Me talk truth, man. Straight truth, me talk over here, son. So, guys, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and guys, please, me I beg you, watch the ads. Cause you know, when you watch the ads, so we make a little money. And guys, also, please, me I beg you, you can join the team. Join, just be a member. Is a way of supporting the team. Yeah, man, is a way of supporting me and supporting the channel if you join the membership, you know. Join the membership. Anyway, guys, make we just say a little something. And this we just talk about Colaz, you know. Guys, if you sit down and watch Colaz Smith, yeah, look into what he do, listen to the word that he must say what I'm out. He might give away a lot of things. And the things where Colaz are give away and I say out I'm out is simple attractive, simple things that we all should know. We all are big people. We all are big people, but guess what happened? We not think. And we not move like that. But listen me good now. You not ready for this? Look at Project X. I'm going to go show you something about Project X. Look at Project X. Colaz is making Project X, yeah? Don't. You don't like Project X, don't. You don't love it, don't. You don't like to see Project X. But what is Project X? What is Project X? Project X is a house. Right? But what is it? Why Colaz call it Project X? Huh? Why Colaz call it Project X? Do you know? No, you don't know. Do you want to know? Yes, you want to know. Will you continue to watch? Because you want to know what is it, don't it? So you see it? Do you see it? Do you see the movement? Do you see the understanding? Do you see the metaphor? Do you see the transition? Do you see the translation in it? The techniques that Colaz Smith is using. Because we all want, not you, you know, we all want to know what is Project X. And a lot of us is talking Project X is a house, is a hotel, it's a Airbnb, but nobody know what Project X is away from Colaz Smith. So guess what happened now? All the people is going to watch Project X because everybody want to know what is it, how far in the year him a go with it, how big it go be. You see what I say? So people want to know what is it. So because people want to know what is it, then go watch it. Yeah. So you see what I say? Because people want to know what it is. People going to watch it. They're going to watch the video because they want to know what is Project X. How smart is Colaz when he did that? Tell me how smart do you all think is Colaz when him do that? Name it Project X so nobody know exactly what it is and people want to know what it is. That's a brilliant move. That's a business move. That's a brilliant move. That's an exclusive, brilliant, fabulous, expensive. That is one of the best move I've seen for a long time. Because nobody know what it is and everybody go want to know what it is. Now, you don't know which part me I go now. Because everybody want to know what it is, everybody go keep watching the videos. The more watching the videos is the more likes. Is the more views the video I get. Is the more ching I go in a Colaz pocket. Why cannot we, again, I put myself in it, why cannot we sit down and think and watch and listen to what Colaz Smith is putting down and at least say, you know what, Colaz Smith do it, I can do it too. Instead, we out here fighting, cursing each other over a male man, Colaz Smith. When Colaz Smith is giving us the ammunition and telling us and using his brain to say, yo, if I was a reactor, I should speed come to Jamaica more than I react about that, more than I react about every other thing. Colaz Smith said that. So the thing is, what me I try to say to each and every one of you is, Colaz Smith, yes, make video about Colaz Smith, but at the same time, the world is wide. The place is big. Again, Colaz Smith say, stop, stagnant yourself and have yourself in our box. All these things are what Colaz Smith saying. You can go back, go listen to them. All these things are what Colaz Smith say out of his mouth. So, if Colaz Smith has said these things out of his mouth, and we now listen to what he say, and I follow what he say, and I try to at least claims a little bit of what Colaz Smith is doing, then that means, what are we doing? We're not really follow the leader, or we not really. Me I say we know. But here what happen now? How me stay now? This is how me stay. Me listen to every single word a person say out of their mouth. Because I want to know if me can get something out of it. The only problem me have, and me a big man, where me not hide behind my faults and what problem me have or how me stay. There's one problem me have where if me come out of that the problem there, remember me tell you, I like a freight train, nothing stop me. Me stubborn. Remember January me born, the goat month. Stubborn like a goat. Me I try get rid of it still. Me I try get rid of it. You think I know me I say me I go live, me I go live, me I go live. I me not go live, none at all. I don't know me I say me I go live, I me not go live, none at all. Why me not go live? It's just stubborn. Oh, me I go do it tomorrow. Oh, me I go do it next week. Oh, me I go do it next month. Oh, me I go do it. Oh, me I go do it. And I'll know me not do it yet. But today me I go live though. Whether in a day or evening, maybe two times me I go live. Me not sure yet. This is what me I talk about. But guys, what me I say is this. Making videos, beating down The dead ass. Even when the ass dead, we still a beat down the ass. Meanwhile, the content them out there. Yes, me understand, say, when you make the video them about colors, you get 4, 5, 6,000 views. And when you make another video about anything else, 300, 400 views. But listen what me I say. If all of the content creators them stop make a certain kind of video, which can't stop still, it not go stop. I just saw it go. But if you mix the video them, people will end up watch them. Yeah, people will end up watching because at the end of the day, you have to think about your pocket. And guys, this is one other thing we really want to talk about. If you live at Jamaica, you see, and when your YouTube channel, you make $1,000 upon your YouTube channel, and when you get $1,000, in a Jamaica, that's a 150, 160,000 Jamaican dollar. And if that's where you want to settle with, that's your business. If that's how you want to settle, that's your business. If you notice, colors not settle. Colors are go up. Colors is like, what you call it? Colors is like Colors is like Mr. Beast. And the same iShow speed there. And some of them big content creator there. Them now ease up. Every day them a get up and try something different. Every time them a try something different. I do something new. Now, you see iShow Speed do a tour. You see iShow Speed do a tour. You see Mr. Beast do a tour. What did you see Colaz Smith do? You see Colaz Smith go islands and go places, yeah? You see what I'm talking about? Because colors don't want to stay in our bubble. Colors do not want to stay one place in our bubble because it not going to work. The more in venture out is the more in get in. Guys, my belief is, as if you want to be a reactor, you have to react without prejudice. You have to react without emotion. You have to react without emotion. You cannot react with emotion because you like that person or you like that person. You go react this or you go react this. Me see what you do to me. Me see what you do to me because me no want to make that video there. Me end up not make no video because me no want to beat that person there. Because me no want to make that video about that somebody there. And then me see what happen again. Me make a video about that somebody there. Nobody a watch my video. Because me talk bad about that person. Me see it happen. Yeah, me see it happen. But guys, does that make sense? When you talk your opinion about something and nobody watch a video, that's why when you are a reactor, you react about everything. You don't take sides. Because if you take side, you're only going to talk good about that person and bad about that person. So if you're a reactor, you react on what they do. You react on what they say. You react. Now let me say this, and I go say something, see? Now, this is, I'm using this as an explanation. Colaz and Knife Ninja fall out, yeah? Knife Ninja go cook some food, yeah? The food never look good. Me see the food. The food never look good. If you notice, you know, see me make a video about that food. No. I never make a video about the food. The food don't look good. But me never make a video. Why I didn't make a video about the food? I didn't make a video about the food because I didn't see it make any sense of making a video about the food. And a lot of people make video about the food. But my question is, if you're going to make a video about the food, is it that you're making a video about the food saying the food don't cook good, don't look good, but in that same sentence you would say Colaz cook better food? So you see what I say? That is the problem. Comparison, comparing. And that's where you throw the reacting or the reactors out through the window. Because that's not reacting. That's not reacting. Now, if you're going to react about the food, you would react about the food. And you would react and you would say, Knife Ninja, what kind of food that you cook, and talk about it. But when you compare it to what Colaz would do, then that shows that it's not like you're reacting about the food. Are you reacting about what he did? You're reacting about it because of Colaz Smith. So that's the thing. Taking sides is not reacting. Or reaction. Carry feelings is not reacting. Because listen me good now. And I go say this in a good way. We all love Colaz. We all use Colaz videos, use Colaz name for put on with thumbnail and for do all kind of something because we know people go come watch. Yeah man, we all do it. We all do it. And to be honest with you, can I say this? I want to not kill me? It's a shame. It's a shame to know that I am a content creator and I make video. And some people won't watch it if Colaz Smith name not upon it. Some people won't watch it if Alicia Kim name is not on it. Some people don't watch it if it's not gossip. It's a shame, to be honest. It's a shame. If you're a content creator and, but, stick up in, you also have the right to watch who you want to watch. You also have the right to watch who you want to watch. That right you all have. Watch who you want to watch. Say what you want to say because it's your opinion. But for the content creators, taking side is not reaction or react nothing. Colaz himself say, stop put yourself in a bubble in a box. Colaz himself say, if he was a reactor, he would be reacting to everything. A lot of things. So, my question to all of you out there is, what if Colaz Smith, aka Mr. Miguel, was a reactor? What do you think Colaz Smith would be doing if he was a reactor? Make that sink in. There's some more things I go come and talk about pertaining to Colaz. Nothing bad, cause hey people, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. I may have to tell you this. Sorry, me wait till in the last. But good things comes when you wait. Let me tell this to each and every one of you, see. Never ever in my life me try to carry down nobody. Never in my life. Me talk hard from people. Tough love. My kids them can tell you. Tough love. Never would I try to tear down a person. Never. I will beat you up. Yeah, I'll beat you up. tear you down now. Never, ever in my life, I would work with no one to tear down nobody. I do everything by myself and my own. Because, should I say that part, yeah? No. And I'll say that part. I'll go left that part for another time. Some viewers and subscribers, I will say you, but remember, ask yourself this question. Content creators, if you know watch this video, ask yourself this question. What if Colaz Smith was a reactor? What do you think Colaz Smith would do if he was a reactor? Put it in yourself. And Colaz, me don't know. One of them days, would I like if you talk on a piece there. If you was a reactor, me out. Yeah. If you was a reactor, would I like if you tell them what you would have do if you was a reactor. Because me know, if you was a reactor, remember me tell you, you'd have locked down this place. Every reactor would have look on you and say, what this man here do? Just like how them look on you right now and ask, what is Project X? Stay tuned, my people, because you don't know. Remember me tell you, a start. Me go give you context. How far word that? The bull, yeah? Bull, big up yourself, youth. Enough respect. Go and do your thing. Remember me tell you, are we over say you there? Go and make the video them. More video, all kind of video. Cause bull, there's some there right now. There's some my thing there. All kind of video. Nah static. Nah stay one place. Because YouTube is a platform can change lives. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I'm out.